In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can AFK farm in toilet tower defense. Now, this is a very simple and easy tutorial, so make sure you watch right to the end so that you don't miss any steps. So let's jump into it. The first thing you want to do is load up into toilet tower defense, and if we come over to this corner here, we can find this AFK farm. So once we have actually found this, we just want to run over to it and stand in the middle. And then we can go ahead and click teleport here. And as you can see, we've now entered the AFK zone. So if we stay here, we can earn coins while AFK. So as you can see, the base amount you get is 1 coin every minute, which is pretty good. But there is ways to increase this. So if we have Roblox Premium, we can actually get another one over here. If we have a 2x Game Pass, we can get one more a minute. And if you get a 2x coin boost, you can get another one. So if you have all of these active, you'll get a whole 4 coins every minute, which is absolutely insane, and it's definitely worth doing. So that is exactly how you can AFK farm in toilet tower defense. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.